Hi everyone, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Laura. Today we ask the question, how are rocks formed?
To answer this question, we'll use a process called the rock cycle, a continuous process of rock transforming from one type to another.
Although rocks may seem like permanent fixtures, they are constantly being broken down and reformed through natural physical processes such as melting, cooling, eroding, or compacting.
First, we should talk about the three main groups of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks form when magma or lava cools and solidifies.
Magma can take two forms, extrusive or intrusive. Extrusive magma, also known as volcanic magma, cools after erupting on the Earth's surface or seafloor. Due to the quick cooling of this magma, the rock is porous and fine. Some examples of this include basalt, pumice, and obsidian.
Intrusive magma, or plutonic magma, cools within the crust. This kind of magma cools more slowly than volcanic magma, which causes the created rocks to have large crystals. For example, granite is made from plutonic magma.
Next are sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks form when sediments are compacted together under immense pressure. Physical and chemical weathering work together to break down existing rocks, creating the sediments that eventually form into sedimentary rocks. In addition to rocks, these sediments can include other biological debris such as plants, shells, and bones. This is why fossils are commonly found in these rocks. Some examples of sedimentary rocks include sandstone and limestone.
Lastly, there are metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed when existing rocks are altered by heat or pressure, but without melting. For example, shale, a sedimentary rock, can be transformed into slate, and limestone, another sedimentary rock, can be turned into marble.
The rock cycle shows how each of these rock types are connected. For example, igneous rocks can break down into sediments through weathering and erosion, then form sedimentary rocks through deposition and cementing.
And sedimentary rocks, or igneous rocks, can be left deep underground, where pressure and heat can transform them into metamorphic rocks.
If metamorphic rocks melt from high temperature, they can turn into magma. When that magma cools and recrystallizes, it forms new igneous rocks once again.
Although the rock cycle takes millions of years per step, it is a good reminder that the Earth is constantly changing, just really slowly.
Every rock you see has been part of this ongoing cycle for millions of years, its Earth constantly reshaping itself.